Hey, if you forgot your app lock password on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, so all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Then you'll have to move into the security and the privacy. Now scroll all the way down and select hide apps. Then input your privacy password. And now click here on the in the right upper corner and tap to change access code. So you are not going to change the privacy password. You are going to change this access code that you have to input in the dial pad tone. So click here and now input your new password, for example, like this one. Remember to start with the hash and end with the hash. Then click on the right upper corner to confirm. And now if you actually input this into your phone dialer, there we go, and tap on the call. Okay, let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, something is not working properly. Let's go back. Let's try to check what is happening actually. There is the access code. Okay, let's try to change it actually. For example, like this. Okay, it looks like it's finished. All is set up. Click done. And let's try to repeat. Okay, and as you can see right now, it works. So that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.